Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD tutorial how to create a new page. So in AutoCAD, new page will be set in the layout. So if you want to create new page, you can click plus icons in the status bar. So to be show for the new layout, and you can click to move into the new layout. To change the names, you can right click and then go to rename. Like here, I will set the names into example. And another settings, you can right click in this page. You can go to drafting standard setup and will be show for drafting standard dialog box. In here you can change for the projection types, first angles, or you can use the third angle. In here you also can set for another styles and for the view quality, and another you can change the per view type inset or bounding box. If you done, you can click OK. The next settings, you can right click again and we can go to page setup manager. In here you can see we have this the example page setup. You can click modify and you can set for the printer or plotter, paper size, plot area, and another option. If you done, you can click OK. Okay, that's it for basic AutoCAD tutorial how to create new page. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.